First, we showcase the steel coil pickup and turning operation. The automated mechanism precisely lifts the coil from the rack and turns it into position, ensuring seamless preparation for the wrapping stage. Next comes the dual-station steel coil wrapping process. The wrapping unit evenly applies protective packaging material around the coil surface, creating an additional shield against impact and corrosion during transit. Finally, the steel coil stacking operation. Fully packaged coils are neatly arranged at the designated area. The entire packaging line runs smoothly and efficiently, demonstrating professional quality.